Alrighty, so we're going to be continuing on our journey with traveling with time zones, except this time we're going to be going the other way. So a plane leaves Los Angeles at 10:30. Since it's got no AM or PM, we're assuming that this is 24-hour time, which would make it AM, and to arrive at Sydney, Australia in 15 hours and 5 minutes. A, determine the time in LA when the plane lands, and B, determine the local time when the plane lands. Similar to the previous question, but we're going the other direction. So, it's a long trip, 15 hours and 5 minutes, but let's set it up. So it departs in Los Angeles. Let's say it's on a Thursday. Doesn't really matter. If it doesn't say the day, then you can just say the day before or the day after. If you change from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. or vice versa, if you go from 12 a.m. to 11 p.m. As soon as you cross that date threshold, you need to make sure that you change what day we're in. But anyway, let's say it was a Thursday. Alrighty, so it's 10:30 a.m. and we're in LA and we're in UTC, and for LA, -8. Alrighty, so what time would we arrive? Well, that would be after 15 hours and 5 minutes. So 5 onto 30 is 35. 15 hours, well, that's like adding 12 and 3. So adding 12 would get us to 10 p.m., 3 more hours. Well, that'd take us to 11 p.m., 12 a.m., 1 a.m. But it's the next day, so now it's a Friday. And now we're in Sydney, but we're still in UTC, -8. Right, I just went from departure to arrival. Now I want to go from Sydney time, that's for part A, so it would arrive at 1:35 a.m. It will be in Sydney, but in LA time, UTC -8, it'll be 1:35 a.m. and it will be a Friday. For part B, we also want it to be in local time, so UTC +10. I'm ignoring no daylight savings. Same location, we haven't gone anywhere, we've just changed from being departing to arriving. Oh, sorry, we're just changing unit conversions. In this case, it's going to be +18, because 10 minus -8 is 18. And so we're going to add 18 hours. Alrighty, well, adding 18 hours is a lot like adding 12 hours plus adding 6 hours. So adding 12 hours would take us to 1:35 p.m. and then another 6 hours, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35 p.m. We didn't cross over anything, so it's still Friday. So notice, although the flight took 15 hours, in total we lost more than a day, because it went from 10:30 a.m. on a Thursday to 7:35 p.m. on a Friday. So you actually lost a day in that. And that's part of the fun of traveling across the ocean. Sometimes weird things happen like that. Alrighty, so there we are. See you in the next one. Goodbye.